Meet Tom, the charismatic owner of Tom's Top-Notch HVAC Services. Tom's known for his quick fixes and charming demeanor. But behind the scenes, Tom had a blind spot, a big one. Tom believed that routine HVAC maintenance was an unnecessary expense. "Why fix what ain't broke?" he often quipped. It all started one summer when Mrs. Johnson's air conditioner broke down in the middle of a heat wave. Tom rushed over, confident it would be a quick fix. But as he inspected the unit, he found it in worse shape than expected. The lack of routine maintenance had taken its toll, turning a minor service call into a costly repair. Soon, Tom noticed a pattern. More clients were calling with preventable issues, but Tom stubbornly dismissed the idea of routine maintenance. The breaking point came when the HVAC system at a local bakery failed completely. Years of neglect had led to a system breakdown, costing the bakery thousands in lost revenue. Shaken, Tom turned to his friend Jim for advice. Jim explained the true impact of HVAC maintenance on a business, from cost savings to improved efficiency. Determined to change, Tom revamped his business model. He trained his staff and educated his clients on the benefits of routine maintenance. As months passed, the benefits became clear. Clients reported fewer breakdowns and lower energy bills. Tom's business thrived on a foundation of preventive care and client education. With regular income from maintenance plans and fewer emergency repairs, Tom's financial stability improved. His business was thriving like never before. Tom's journey taught him that regular, quick maintenance significantly impacts system performance and cost savings. Investing in preventive care boosts the bottom and builds client trust. So, take a page from Tom's book. Embrace routine HVAC maintenance, educate your clients, and watch your business thrive. For more tips on HVAC upkeep and preventive maintenance, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.